Don't forget to pray. And more importantly, don't ever be ashamed to pray. Never be too proud to pray. Because prayer changes things. It changes situations. It changes hearts. It changes circumstances. No matter how difficult life may look right now, no matter what people say about you, no matter how impossible your situation seems, prayer has the power to change it. Many people underestimate the power of prayer, but throughout history it has been one of the strongest forces that helps people overcome impossible situations. The power of prayer. Prayer is one of the most powerful things available to every human being. It doesn't matter where you live. It doesn't matter how much money you have. It doesn't matter what background you come from. Prayer is available to everyone. At any moment, in any place, you can speak to God. And an incredible truth is this: God is never too busy to hear you. He knows you. He created you. And He wants to hear from you. Prayer is not only about asking for things. It's about connection. It's about building a relationship with the one who created you. Sometimes the most powerful prayers are simply words of gratitude. A simple thank you can change your mindset and shift your perspective. Life without guidance. Many people try to go through life relying only on their own strength. They try to solve every problem on their own. They believe that if they work hard enough, they can control every outcome. But life has a way of reminding us that we don't control everything. There will be moments when plans fall apart. There will be times when things don't make sense. There will be situations that seem completely impossible. In those moments, prayer becomes a source of strength. Prayer reminds us that we are not alone. Prayer reminds us that there is a greater plan beyond what we can see. The role of faith. Prayer and faith work together. Faith means believing in something even when you cannot see it yet. It means trusting that something good is on the way even when circumstances say otherwise. One of the biggest challenges people face is waiting. Everyone wants answers immediately. Everyone wants results right away. But faith requires patience. Sometimes the moment you pray for something, the answer begins to move toward you. But the timing is not always revealed. And that is where faith becomes important. Faith keeps you believing even when the results are not visible yet. Why timing matters? If every prayer was answered instantly, faith would not exist. Faith grows when we learn to trust during the waiting season. The process of waiting teaches patience, discipline, and resilience. It builds strength within a person. Often the delay is not a denial. Sometimes it is preparation. Preparation for the person you are becoming. Preparation for the opportunities that are ahead. Preparation for the responsibility that comes with the blessing, dreams, and vision. Every great achievement begins with a vision, a dream placed inside someone's mind. That vision is important because it gives direction to life. Without vision, people lose motivation. Without vision, people lose hope. But when someone has a dream, it gives them the courage to keep moving forward. Dreams inspire action. Dreams inspire discipline. Dreams inspire persistence. The ideas and visions you carry may not be random. They may be reminders of what is possible for your future. Persistence is the key. Success rarely happens overnight. Behind every achievement there are years of persistence. There are setbacks. There are failures. There are moments of doubt. But the difference between those who succeed and those who give up often comes down to one thing: perseverance. The people who reach their goals are the ones who keep going even when things get difficult. They keep believing even when progress feels slow. They continue to work even when the results are not immediate. Persistence keeps dreams alive. Faith must be combined with action. Prayer alone is powerful, but it must be combined with action. Faith without action leads nowhere. Belief must be supported by effort. If you pray for opportunity, you must prepare for opportunity. If you pray for growth, you must be willing to grow. If you pray for success, you must develop the habits that lead to success. Prayer opens doors, but action allows you to walk through them. Ask with boldness. There is a powerful principle that many people forget. Sometimes the reason people do not receive what they desire is simply because they never ask. Many people pray small prayers. They limit their expectations. They think their dreams are too big. But why limit what you ask for? Why ask a powerful God for small things? Pray with boldness. Ask with faith. Trust that the answer will come in the right way and at the right time. Grace and blessings. There is another powerful concept called grace. Grace is when blessings come into your life even though you feel you didn't earn them. Grace is when opportunities appear unexpectedly. Grace is when doors open that seemed impossible before. Grace reminds us that life is not only about what we deserve. Sometimes it's about what we are blessed with, and those blessings often arrive through faith, prayer, and persistence. Closing message. So if life feels heavy right now, if you feel uncertain about the future, if you feel like things are not going your way, remember this: do not forget to pray. Do not be ashamed to pray, and never be too proud to pray, because prayer changes things, it changes lives. And it might be the very thing that transforms your future.